Today I'm going to introduce how to do division. And division is related to multiplication. So I'm going to start out by reviewing groups of in multiplication and show you how we do it backwards for division. So if I have the multiplication question 3 times 4, you know I have to make 3 groups and I have to put 4 in each group. And they have to be equal groups, or equal items in each group. So then I count my total and I end up with 12. 12 is my total. In division, you're starting with a total. So you start with a certain amount of things and you're going to divide that. That's the division sign, a line with 2 dots. You're going to divide that total into a certain amount of groups. So what would that look like? 12 divided by 3. Let's try that with popcorn and plates. So here are my 3 groups. And I'm going to count out 12 kernels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have my total and now I'm going to divide them into 3 groups. So I do it one at a time and I make sure, and I just keep doing this until all of my popcorn kernels are evenly distributed. So there you go. I've divided 12 popcorn kernels into 3 groups, and in each group there are 4. So my answer would be 4. Let's try another one. So let's try 15 divided by 3. Now you can also write that this way. That's another way to write a division equation. And you would put your answer on top here. If you go this way, you put your answer at the end here. The box is where you would put your answer. 2 ways to write a division question. Okay, so now I have to count 15 kernels. So I know I actually have 12 if I collect all of these. So I'll just start with these ones. 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now I divide again. Keep going into my groups. Okay, so I've shared them evenly. There should be the same number in each group. 5, 5, 5. So my answer is 5. So your answer is always what is inside the group, and it should be the same number in each group. If it's not, you haven't distributed them properly. So my answer is 5. Let's try one more before you practice it on your own. And you can have fun with bowls of plates and objects in your house, Cheerios, pieces of Lego. Okay, let's see. I don't have too much room here, so let's try putting all these here. I'm gonna do 4 groups. I'm gonna do 24 kernels. That's my total, remember? Into 4 groups. What will be in each group? that's going to be my answer. Let's find out. So remember, I had 15 here. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, whoops, 23, 24. Let's just count to make sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, so now we're going to divide these up into our 4 groups. Okay, so one at a time. Okay, so how many do I have in each group? 6, 6, 6, 6. So my answer, 24 divided by 6, is 6. And if I wrote it the other way, like this, 24 divided by, oops, wrong one there. Like that, 24 divided by 4, you put your answer on top like that, 6. So now I will give you some questions in an attachment for you to practice dividing into groups. That's all there is to it. Remember, you're starting with a total and you're dividing into equal groups. Have fun!